Hi, today I'm going to be talking about something that we've learned about how to write the Phase 1 semantic representations and also how that will affect the Phase 2 semantic representations. And the issue is this. We're dealing with this sentence. Evil people are not able to sleep unless those people do evil things. Now, this is the way I have been writing it in the past, just like this. And if the sentence comes out in this order, it will be just fine. Now, you notice that here we have evil people. So that's not specifying which evil people. So evil people will come out as generic. If you look at, I'm going to click on the features button. Oh, we haven't done it yet. Let's just analyze this, okay? So down at the bottom right, you have all these buttons, and the top left one is analyze. So I click on that, and the analyzer is doing its job. And this is what it did. Unless, so let's see here, unless person here, now if I put the mouse in the middle row, it gives me the features. It says tracking is routine, proximity contextually near. Now, tracking routine means that this person has been referred to previously. So, that would come out as the person, or the people. Here it's plural, so it'd be the people. But because it's marked as proximity contextually near, that comes out in English as those people. Unless those people do evil things, this should be generic because we didn't say the evil things, we said evil things in general, and you can see that it is generic. Evil people, and this is generic, are not, this is negative, able evil people to sleep. Okay. So what we see is that we have, unless those people do evil things, evil people are not able to sleep. Now that would be wrong in that order. The way I wrote it, originally it would come out making sense. Evil people are not able to sleep unless those people do evil things. But you see, the Phase 2 put the event clause first. Now, I don't know, it's always going to do that, but I don't know that that's how it's going to come out if it's generated. So let's push generate and see what happens. So in the original order, the way I wrote it, evil people are not able to sleep unless those people do evil things. It makes sense. And the reason it makes sense is because those people would already been mentioned. So we know that those people refers to evil people. Actually, in the generation, it came out fine. It says, down here in the bottom, we can see what it generated. Evil people aren't able to sleep unless they do evil things. So the program recognized that those people had the same thing reference. You can see the thing list down at the bottom right. There's only one person. So all the people in this verse are the same object or thing. So, so it knew that they do evil things, that they must refer to evil people who've already been mentioned. So in this order, it makes sense because evil people, which is generic, we haven't specified which evil people occurred first in the sentence, and then later, unless they. So those people, the program knew that it referred to evil people. Now the problem here is, what if we had another language where the unless clause would go first? In this other language, then it would come out, unless those people do evil things, evil people aren't able to sleep. But that wouldn't make sense, because those people is referring to the evil people that we haven't yet mentioned in the sentence. So if the unless clause would come first in another language grammar, if it does, then this isn't going to work. So what we're now thinking is that we should write this a different way. Evil people are not able to sleep unless, I'm going to write it the same way I did before, unless evil people do evil things. Okay, now, hopefully this will work just fine. So let's analyze. The idea here is that in English it's going to come out as they, and the program is going to know that it's the same people. So here, again, after the analysis, there's only one person in the thing list, so it's the same thing. Evil people is generic in the unless clause now. It was those people, but now it's generic. It was routine and contextually near, and it's generic in the main clause. Evil people are not able, evil people to sleep. So evil people here, people is generic in all three places, but when we click generate, it's still going to come out with they. So let's see how it comes out in the generation. Okay, it says evil people aren't able to sleep unless they do evil things. So you see, in English, it worked either way. It worked if I put evil people are not able to sleep unless those people do evil things, or if I wrote it, evil people are not able to sleep unless evil people do evil things. So it came out correctly both ways I would write this in English. But the issue is, if there's another language where the unless clause would come first because of the order of items in the grammar of that language, then it wouldn't make sense. So we now suggest that you write it this way. Write it the same way as in the main clause as in the event clause here. Well, that's all I have for today. God bless you.